Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thank you for joining me on my daily vlog. Today we're in the heart of South Philadelphia to visit the famous, local famous Boba and Company. We're gonna go ahead and try some of their famous drinks here. They got some good Cambodian food as well. It's pretty crowded right now, you know? It's like a local favorite. Where's Boba Co? Okay, I see they upgraded the whole area too, you know? If y'all don't know by now, Boba has some of the most delicious drinks in the local area. They got something called the Cambodian firebomb. You gotta try it out. That's one of my personal favorites, and they also have Cambodian food, like barbecue food. They have beef skewers, you know, they got chicken sticks. I believe they have stuffed chicken wings as well. Right here on the corner of 7th and Moyamensing. If y'all don't know Boba by now, I filmed a famous music video here for Hella Chloe called Cambodia Town, and it pretty much featured Boba as one of the prime locations. So I know Boba Co here. He's one of the owners, if not the owner. Actually, his wife is the owner. You know how that goes. Looks like they upgraded everything, man. So it looks really good here. I'm really proud of Boba and what they've accomplished and their progression, and how they're able to make a name for themselves. I remember when Boba first opened up, man. It was one of those things where, you know, you're just rooting for them to just succeed, and I'm so happy for them and what they've accomplished so far, and I can't wait for them to really blow up, you know? They got like stuffed chicken wings, avocado, they got the forbidden Cambodian shaved ice, they got taro milk tea. This is my favorite right here, the Campbell Firebomb. Campbell Firebomb is bomb. Mia, what are you getting?
I'm not sure what I'm getting. I might try the taro milk tea. No? That's simple? Should I get like some more
If you're into that.
I want something I have never tried before.
Try the Cambodian Firebomb. Where? No, it's good. Like they got like a sweet and salty like taste.
I like sweet.
Marry Me. The Marry Me Jack. That must be new.
Yes, Jack.
They got Durain. Why don't you get Durain and just, you know, get that funkiness all up in your area. I'm not really a Durain fan, believe it or not. I'll probably do the Cambodian Firebomb. Or the Forbidden. Let's try the Forbidden. Let's do the Forbidden today.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the Forbidden.
Probably do the Forbidden.
Where? What's the Forbidden? Right there.
I'll take that too.
The one with the biggest picture.
I'll take it.
Mia says she's gonna order and come on for us.
Come on, let's go.
Go ahead. Yeah, come on, bud. Go ahead.
What do you want?
I want the Forbidden.
Can I? Are you getting the forbidden too?
Yeah, Forbidden.
I got the forbidden too, man.
Yeah, I remember when Boba was just a corner lot, and they just had this up here, and now like look, there's booming right now. They got like mad people right here waiting in line for their famous drinks. Their food is delicious. I don't know what else to say, man. Like this is a gem. This is a gem in the South Philadelphia neighborhood. Like we just came from the rooftop bar. It's only two streets away, so you might as well, if you really want some good food, you might as well come to Boba and get you some good food and drinks as well. And one thing about Boba too, it attracts everybody. You know what I mean? Black, white, you know what I mean? Spanish, whoever. They all come here.
Look, the mic card, okay?
Oh, okay. So like everybody comes here, you know what I mean? Black, white, Asian, you know what I mean? So it's all love here, you know what I mean? Food is great. The food is great. The food is so good that everybody come here, you know what I mean? So right now we got the it's called the Forbidden Shaved what is it called? Oh, Forbidden Shaved Ice is what we got, and it looks like it has strawberries, kiwi, mango, I don't even know what this is. Sweet beans, and it has like lychee in here. They got like 3 layers of flavors of. It's like pretty much tuxedo, man. It's like a fancy ass tuxedo. You remember that machine as a kid? You would like put ice in there and you would shave it. Y'all have that portable? Remember that portable machine? Yeah, that's what it tastes. This is exactly what it tastes like, just like that. Takes me back to the days. Delicious.
So look, throughout this whole process, I think it's important when we dine and eat and having fun. It's the companies that you keep that makes you better as a human being and as a brother. I got my Dara bone right here. You gotta say, bro, about you know friends and family and the people around you, man.
Those are the people that's gonna be.
This John is so fire right now.
Listen, what's this one?
You just have to try this.
My IG.
Thanks, bro.
Thank you, bro.
They should bring one time with tuxedo in the bag. That'd be cool, man. I think they should have that, man. The kids never seen that shit, right? The young kids?
That's right. Let me talk about that.
I know y'all a little older than
I'm still a baby.
Like, we used to make it as kids, or the way you would get it as kids too, is in a bag. You don't normally get it in a cup. This is fancy, you know. We done came up. We used to drink this out of a little small bag. Y'all know what I'm talking about.
Got the
A long time.
the taro bubble drink. It's good. It's good. It's really good. I mean, that's the first time I had it, but delicious.
So yeah, we here at Boba, you know, chilling, eating, and the man is here, Kato, the owner of Boba. Kato, say what's up, man.
What's going on?
Shout out to Rep Cambodia for sponsoring this video. You like the gear? Go ahead and copy some merch. Use my discount code JLJupiter to get 15% off your next order.
Or Badass Mom.
Or Badass Vaughn too? So JLJupiter or Badass Vaughn if you want a discount. You know what I mean? Go to repcambodia.com. Cop some merch, you heard? Bonkato over here hooking it up, all good ball.
Oh, no problem. That's it, man. That's it. I'll bring it on the shirt. That's it. Certified. Certified. Yeah.
Alright, so I'm about to try the Cambo street corn. It's one of my favorite things on the item. Well, everything is my favorite thing on the item here, you know what I mean? You really can't go wrong here at Boba, honestly. Got the coconut sauce. I don't know, like it's coconut, scallions in here. And the way they grill that corn is like, it brings out like that nice sweetness of the corn, you know? Like that char flavored.
Back at home. He probably still sleeping.
That's so bomb right there. Bonkato hooked it up, man. We got everything here. We got more stuffed chicken wings. We got beef sticks. I'm gonna try the beef sticks next. Seasoned with lemongrass.
back in the 90s.
So good.
I said Khmer food. It's like once you eat it, you crave for it after that.
That's true.
That's a fact, my guy. Here's been my thing though, like growing up in Jersey, I didn't really appreciate Khmer food growing up. My mom would always make it, but I always wanted like hamburgers and pizza and stuff. It wasn't until I got older, like I can eat Khmer food every day. There's always something in, there's always something on the menu that I can order, and I'll be, you know, it'll fulfill me.
This is mango and rice.
Sticky mango.
So they're not like
Sticky mango.
No, sticky rice with mango.
This is sticky mango.
They're not gonna do it. It's like in Philly, the only way they catch you is out on the street.
oh, really? So it's not like a.
Give us the detail.
They ain't gonna.
It's a celebration, man. You got the owner over here bringing some, what is that? Oh, some whiskey. Man, Kato upgraded. He upgraded on us, y'all.
Yeah.
We still drinking Hennessy. He's drinking Macallan.
We still in the 90s, man.
You know what I mean? That's that news. That's that
All right, bro. See, man. See you around.
That's that new-ish, y'all. We don't drink Hennessy no more. We moving up to Macallan. That don't even sound cool though. You know what I mean? Go get a bottle of Macallan. How did she pour us? Yeah, this is massive.
And then they put this order in earlier.
Woo.
Just from all the rest of the orders I had to grill.
That Macallan whaling. Kato, talk about some of your new items coming up.
No. Don't worry.
One of our hottest items is the sticky icky terrain. It's a must try. Yes.
Rain stinks, but it tastes so good. I'm not really a fan of it. Do you guys like the rain?
I like the rain. I like the rain ice cream.
Oh,
The rain shake I can do.
the new one. The Marry Me Jack. That's a definitely
saw that.
must.
I saw that.
Yes. Jackfruit blended
sounds
with
threatening.
real jackfruit right on top.
That sounds good. I'm gonna get that next time. Y'all should get it too. Y'all should order everything on the menu that they got, and make sure you try the forbidden. Slamming. We about to do another shot here, but make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you cop some merch at Rep Cambodia, and you know what I mean. Support your boy. Cop some merch. Follow all the homies that's here. Come and get some good food. You know what I mean. Cambodian owned. We about to do another shot of Macallan. That don't even sound cool, but it's gonna whoop my ass, man. Let me tell you. Cheers, y'all.